Good morning, my lovelies. It's Throwback Thursday. Today is April the 30th of 2020. Happy Thursday. We're working on some abbreviations today. We're going to talk about abbreviations for months of the year. And then over here, we're going to be talking about your and your. These are homophones. They sound the same, but they're spelled different, and they have different meanings. Guys, this is a concept that even a lot of adults have trouble with. So it's really important that we understand this so that when we are writing, if you're writing an email to your boss when you get older and you are not sure which your to use, it's not going to look good on you. So we've got to make sure we understand when to use this your and when to use this your. All right, let's get going. When we're talking about months of the year and we're using abbreviations, we're just shortening it down so that we can save time. When we're doing that, for months of the year, let's do an example down here. January, generally speaking, we abbreviate it to just the first three letters, and then we put a period, okay? So we're going to be looking for, these are multiple choice, we're going to be looking for the correct abbreviation. So which one is the first three letters and capital letter and punctuation at the end. Okay, so here we have April. We have several choices. Which one of those looks like mine? Okay, this one, right? Okay. Even though that one has the first three letters, it's not written correctly. All right, here we have February. As you can see here, it's a pretty easy choice. This one has a capital letter and punctuation at the end. All right, November will be N-O-V period. All right, piece of cake. Here's a question for you. What would be the abbreviation for December? December would become D-E-C period. That's the same thing for our days of the week, guys. For example, if I have, I'm trying to find space to write, if I have Monday and I want to abbreviate it, I would write M-O-N period. So same concept, okay? Moving over here to your and your. This your shows possession. This is showing that something belongs to someone. This your is a contraction. How do I know it's a contraction? It has an apostrophe. This is two words that are being put together. The words are you, are. So when I'm reading these sentences, I'm going to ask myself, is this showing possession, that something belongs to someone, or am I using the words you are? Okay, so for example, when I read number one, where is your backpack? Am I saying that the backpack belongs to someone, or am I saying where is you are backpack? Did that make sense? It didn't, did it? So this is possession. The person owns the backpack. So your backpack, okay? Next, my mom said you're allowed to come to dinner. There's nothing here to possess, okay? Let's fill it in with you are. My mom said you are allowed to come to dinner. That made sense, didn't it? I'm using the words you are to replace that your. If you can't replace it with the words you are, then you're not using the correct form of that word. Can we play at your house after school? Does the house belong to you? Or am I saying, can we play at our house after school? That didn't make sense, did it? I'm showing possession. The house belongs to you. You're going to be late if you don't hurry. Would I say you are going to be late if you don't hurry? I would, wouldn't I? So I'm using that contraction here. You are. You are going to be late if you don't hurry. So those are the questions that you're going to need to ask yourself when you're choosing which form of this word to use. Am I replacing it with you are? If I replace it with you are, does it make sense? If not, am I showing possession? All right, those are the questions you have to ask yourself about these homophones. All right, happy Thursday. Enjoy your day.